Alright guys, here we are with Axial Ryft. Not had it out for a little while, and the reason behind that is I've been waiting on a new part for it. So obviously building the kit, you get the locked centre diff with it. So what I've decided to do, I think it'll make it handle better and climb better, is I've got a rear lock diff in it now as well. So I'll show you just the turning circle differences already with that, then we'll get off-road. I'll just lift the camera up to show you just now quickly at my new playground here. So standing in the road in the middle, we've got loads of mounds, loads of building site stuff going on here for miles and miles. So I'm not sure exactly what location I'll be doing it at, but we'll be getting some good sort of muddy off-roading done. But before I do that, I'll just show you the difference with the locked rear diff and locked centre, how much difference you can turn this car already. And I think as well, like I said, with the traction it'll be a huge difference climbing up the hills. Right, so here's an example. You can see here, having that locked rear diff, you can really throw the car around. So that's going to help for turning circles, etc., and just all round fun factor. So yeah, I'm super happy with that. Now I've showed you what's going on, we'll get a little bash video, we'll come back at the end, see what the overall performance is like. But yeah, super pleased with Axial Ryft right now. I think that little mod is just really such a big improvement to the car. And well, just before I actually go, I forgot to mention as well, this isn't really a mod as such, but what I've done, it's a simple thing, I think it'll make a big difference, is I've put the power button at the top instead of being at the back there. So when I turn it on and off, my usual dirty hands, yeah, it's a lot easier. So here we go, hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, let's get the Ryft doing some jumps and climbs and stuff. Right guys, well as you can see, the Axial Ryft, awesome fun, absolutely manky just now. I'll need to take that home and give it a good clean, which isn't too bad with this car, because I saw the exo cage, it's actually easier to clean than it first looks. But that locked rear diff, huge difference with that and the locked centre. The car's climbing better, I feel it's handling better, it didn't really tip over or anything, once or twice, but nothing major happened that way. And yeah, just the performance, it felt a big improvement all round. So if anybody's got a Ryft, that's something you're thinking about doing, I'd definitely recommend locking the rear diff. Other than that, I think the car now is probably just exactly how I'm going to leave it. No upgrades unless anything breaks. I was looking at one point of getting the Vitavon axles for it, but the price of them's pretty much close to another car by the time you do the front and the back. And I've had no issues at all with the front and rear axle stock on the Ryft. I've done a lot of big jumps with it, I've done a few tumbles and crashes and things, and nothing's went wrong. So yeah, I'm super happy with the car. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and we'll be back with something else soon. Paul out, take care, bye.